Hello, this is Scott Vincent from Tokyo. Post my golf performance this week. It was an incredible week, incredible performance. Japan is amazing and the golf course was incredible. Very hard and challenging, but a good challenge and a good setup for a championship event like this. I played really well. I had to fight back after day one. It was a rough start, but learnt a lot on after day one and managed to make some changes going into day 2, 3, and 4, and yeah, it worked out very well. I played nice and solid the rest of the tournament and had a good performance, so I was really thankful for that. I learned a lot. I learned how to persevere and go back to the routines and how I normally play golf, and that made the difference, I think, going into day 3, day 2 and 3 and 4. It was incredible to have the Zimbabwe delegation there to support and come out and watch, especially Kirsty Coventry. She took the time away from her busy schedule here to come watch on day 1 and 4, and it was just very cool to share that experience with her. I'd just like to thank all the Zimbabwean supporters around the world that have sent me messages and wished me well. I could definitely feel all the love and support, and just being at the Olympics is incredible. Love the experience. Can't wait to try and make the team for Paris in 2024. That's definitely going to be a goal of mine. It was just such a cool experience to be around all the top athletes in the world and rub shoulders with them. So just really thankful for this opportunity. Really blessed to be here, and thank you to Zimbabwe for giving me this opportunity. And hopefully I've done everyone proud. And I look forward to the opportunity to represent Zimbabwe in the future. Thank you.